Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So, on the US dollar yen and most dollar pairs, it's been very sideways for a while now, and it is August, which is normally a very slow month, so we kind of need to expect that. It seems to me like the momentum is still down. I still think at some point it's going to go down and break this structure. It also kind of seems like maybe it will go up and take out these highs, grab some liquidity before it actually goes down and does that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, not a whole lot really happened today since this morning, but I still got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm still looking for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks to any one of these Fibonacci levels and a nice impulsive, aggressive, engulfing move to the upside for my next entry to go long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.